TDS3000C Digital Phosphor Oscilloscopes, Tektronix. Welcome to this training module on Tektronix TDS3000C Digital Phosphor Oscilloscopes. This training module introduces the key features of the TDS3000C oscilloscope and its basic operations. The TDS3000C series digital phosphor oscilloscopes provide you with bandwidths from 100 MHz to 500 MHz with up to 5 gigasamples per second sample rate for accurate representation of signals. The TDS3000C series combines 3,600 waveforms per second continuous waveform capture rate and a real-time intensity grading. Fast waveform capture rates on a continuous basis enable saving time by quickly revealing the nature of faults. The real-time intensity grading highlights the details about the history of a signal's activity, making it easier to understand the characteristics of the captured waveforms. The digital phosphor oscilloscopes provide 2 or 4 channel options in a compact, battery-compatible design. The TDS3000C series oscilloscopes have a simple learning curve. Simple navigation and dedicated front panel controls get you where you want to be quickly, so that you spend less time learning and more time on the task at hand. The TDS3000C series comes equipped with a USB host port for easily storing and transferring measurement information to the PC. If you prefer not to use a PC for analysis, the TDS3000C series comes with an automatic 25 automatic measurements, waveform add, subtract, divide, and multiply math functions, and fast Fourier transform. The TDS3000C series packs the power of a digital phosphor oscilloscope in a compact design that is only 5.9 inches deep, freeing up valuable bench top space. The optional battery pack with up to 3 hours of operation without power line enhances its mobility. The digital phosphor oscilloscope captures and displays complex waveforms, random events, and subtle patterns in actual signal behavior. The digital phosphor oscilloscopes provide 3 dimensions of signal information in real time: amplitude, time, and the distribution of amplitude over time. The digital phosphor oscilloscope also enables fast waveform capture rates and real-time intensity grade display. The fast waveform capture rates provide significantly more visual insight into signal behavior and dramatically increases the probability that the oscilloscope will quickly capture transient anomalies such as jitter, runt pulses, glitches, and transition errors. Some waveforms combine the characteristics of sines, squares, steps, and pulses to produce wave shapes. The signal information may be embedded in the form of amplitude, phase, and/or frequency variations. The real-time intensity grading display makes it easier to understand the characteristics of complex waveforms. Real-time sampling is ideal for signals whose frequency range is less than half the oscilloscope's maximum sample rate. The digital real-time sampling technology enables quickly to debug and characterize a wide range of signal types on all channels simultaneously. This acquisition technology allows you to capture high-frequency, non-repetitive information, such as glitches and edge anomalies, while sin x over x interpolation ensures precise reconstruction of each waveform. There is no change in sample rate when additional channels are turned on. Using the power of their internal processors, the oscilloscopes offer many advanced math operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, integration, and fast Fourier transform to create a new waveform display. The oscilloscope can take automatic measurements of most displayed signals, and it can perform up to 4 automatic measurements and display them along the right side of the graticule. However, the automatic measurements operate only on the latest acquisition, not on the previous acquisitions that are displayed in grayscale. The TDS3000C series math and measurements allow you to use the full acquisition record length or isolate a specific occurrence within an acquisition. The TDS3000C series oscilloscopes help reduce your learning curve. Simplify setup with AutoSet function adjusts controls to produce a usable display of the input signal. The most frequently used functions have been brought forth to the panel for direct accessibility. A user can rely on his instrument to give the same results whether there are 1, 2, 3, or 4 channels active. Full record length is available at all time bases with 1, 2, 3, or 4 channels activated. Modern connectivity is essential to instruments today. The TDS3000C contains a complete set of modern ports for today's engineers. The TDS3000C has a USB thumb drive port on the front of the instrument. In addition, an Ethernet port on the rear of the instrument allows you to control the instrument from a PC or to print to a network printer. There is also a communications module that provides GPIB and RS-232 ports and a VGA output to connect to larger display for teaching or training situations. These connections enable you to quickly and easily connect to their PC and utilize other included software packages like Tektronix's OpenChoice Desktop, where you can control the oscilloscope, save screen captures, save data, or save and load setups. Or you can load the newest version of National Instruments LabVIEW Signal Express Tektronix Edition, where they can make measurements and perform advanced analysis and even capture simulated results against actual measured results. The TDS3000C series packs the power of a digital phosphor oscilloscope in a compact design that is only 5.9 inches deep, freeing up valuable benchtop space. And when you need to move your oscilloscope to another lab, its portable 7 pounds design makes for easy transport. If your work demands even more mobility, there are optional battery packs which will give you up to 3 hours of operation without connection to a power line. You need to see a signal in a circuit, but you do not know the signal's amplitude or frequency. Connect the oscilloscope to quickly display the signal and then measure its frequency and peak-to-peak amplitude. There are 2 ways to display the signal, using AutoSet or selecting automatic measurements. Digital designers need to quickly find and analyze a wide range of circuit timing problems. For example, race conditions and transients can cause circuits to perform inaccurately. The TDS3000C series pulse width trigger can help troubleshoot such situations by triggering when a signal pulse width is less than, greater than, equal to, or not equal to a specified pulse width. Both analog and digital electronics designers face problems related to slow edges, as measured by the rise or fall time. The signal's edge speed, known as the slew rate, can affect the operation of digital bus transceivers, transmission lines, and op-amp circuits. The TDS3000C series slew rate trigger can help troubleshoot such situations by capturing waveforms where the slew rate is less than, greater than, equal to, or not equal to a specified rate. Automatic measurements can supply supporting data. Electronics engineers may discover that a wide array of unintentional electrical events can make a difference in how circuits function in the real world. To characterize these events, engineers can measure criteria such as overshoot, ringing, ground bounce, crosstalk, and other signal integrity issues. The TDS3000C series cursors and automatic measurements can be used to take such measurements. Video technicians must perform a quick check for the presence of a video signal at different test points. If the site is in the field, technicians need lightweight, portable test equipment gear that can easily be carried to each location. The TDS3000C series, with its optional battery-powered operation and video trigger features, make this oscilloscope a valuable tool for these technicians. Video technicians also want to determine if the displayed signal is the desired signal. With the TDS3000C series, these technicians can make this determination by simply viewing a picture image of the video source. This lists the accessories that come standard with each TDS3000C product.